Louis van Gaal is the new king of the mind games. That's my verdict on another fascinating twist of this remarkable World Cup. Holland eliminated brave Costa Rica in a cruel penalty shootout that will go down in football folklore as a dose of Dutch courage. With the final place in the final four at stake, this was the match to decide who plays Argentina in the semi-final. And underdogs Costa Rica ignored all the odds with another incredible performance that denied the Dutch. Wesley Sneijder twice hit the woodwork, and goalkeeper Keylor Navas had the game of his life. There was even a crucial save from Dutch keeper Jasper Cillessen to keep out Udana in a pulsating final few minutes of extra time. Then came the real drama when Van Gaal sent on substitute goalkeeper Tim Krul right at the end, purely for the penalty shootout. Remember, the Costa Ricans had scored a perfect 5 out of 5 to beat Greece in a penalty shootout in the previous round. But this was a masterstroke by the Dutch manager that clearly unsettled the opposition. And Krul joined in the mind games by telling each penalty taker he knew where they would be aiming. It worked as Krul made 2 saves and guessed right with all 5 penalties. This has already been an unbelievable World Cup, but we've never seen anything quite like this before. And Manchester United fans have joined the Dutch celebrations as they relish the prospect of Van Gaal taking over the Old Trafford hot seat in a few days' time. Argentina overcame the challenge of Belgium in the night's other quarter-final. Higuain scored the only goal when he struck early. And for once, the South Americans didn't rely on their number 1 Messi to get them over the line. That means both semi-finals will be Europe against South America. Argentina against Brazil was the final the bookmakers predicted, but can Germany or the Dutch make history and become the first European side to win the tournament in South America? Well, the Dutch certainly believe if anyone can mastermind that, Van Gaal can.